Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how to add a checklist to Google Docs. Let's get straight into it. An interactive checklist will allow you to mark items as done within Google Docs. This is useful if you're collaborating with other people in Docs, or you want to keep a record of the jobs you completed. So I'm logged into Google and I'm in Google Docs. I've opened a blank document, and I'll quickly type out my shopping list, which I'll add a checklist to. To turn this into an interactive checklist, all I need to do is click my left mouse button and drag this over the full list to firstly select it. And from the toolbar at the top of the page, I'll move my mouse to the option called Checklist. If I click on that once, you'll see a checklist is added to the left of each item in my list. To mark some of those tasks in the checklist as done, all I need to do is click into any of those checkboxes and you'll see a line is scored through the items to show that they are done. If I happen to make a mistake, I can also click back into a checkbox to change it to not done. Extending the list is easy too. All I need to do is move my mouse pointer to the end of the last item, and if I click the return key, a new blank row is created with a checkbox. I just then need to continue typing into this as I would do normally to add items, and I can press return again to create further items. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so that other users can find it too. Thanks for watching.